Hey everyone, I am back with my corn. You know, I had high hopes for my corn, but this one is like the best, this tiny one here. It's the most filled out. But other than that, my corn just did not get pollinated. I mean, this one literally has one kernel, and as you can see, I don't know what went wrong. I did everything right that I could think of, and still I had just failure. My corn grew really tall. I used cow manure compost. I used blood meal. I mean, kept it watered if it was drying out. The plants grew really huge. I mean, like 6-7 feet tall, and 2 to 3 what looked like was going to be corn cobs, and it just did not get pollinated. And so I don't know what I did wrong. It's extremely disappointing, but I don't know. I think I'm going to try planting twice as much or 3 times as much next year. And if that doesn't improve my corn, then I think next year will be my last year. But I don't know. If you have any ideas of what's going wrong, let me know. Okay, I just had a look, and I just harvested this one. There's like one kernel that looks like it's possibly going moldy, but and it's like this side didn't get pollinated at all. But there's like a lot of pink with this, so this one's probably glass gem. So it's a lot better than the other ones. I mean, with the exception of this one that's mostly black with some white. This one's probably the most colorful one. But, like I said, there's a lack of pollination. And we've gotten so much rain that, it's like starting to like rot before it can even dry all the way. Also, whenever I was looking through the corn, opening up all the completely unpollinated corn, because there's a lot of little tiny corn cobs that didn't get pollinated at all. Something that I noticed is that the silks, they look like they've either been chewed down or rotted off or whatever, and there's some sort of small bugs that, I don't know, they almost look like fleas, or maybe not fleas. They look kind of like almost like aphids. I mean, I didn't know like aphids or something could infect or could affect corn. But so yeah, between the heat and too much moisture at the wrong time, because I planted it really early, so it's not drying out, it's just getting a lot of rain. That also increased the bug population and just made it so that way it's like rotting, or not really growing or something. But anyway, catch you next time.